You. Alright. Know we've been making a lot of bike checks, but yeah, it's the end of the summer. And as you can see, my bike is not what it used to be in the beginning of summer. Alright, well, yeah. I got a fit Van Homan frame. Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. Odyssey JCPC pedals. Fit cranks. Shadow Conspiracy vultus bars. ODI long necks. Fucking same rims I had on. And yeah, I guess. Oh, I got this new stem off that bike because
That one. I got a gold one.
ooh yeah, that goes sexy.
It's a profile.
Alright. Yeah.
So, how do you like this new one?
It's better than my old one because the headset doesn't fuck up
That much?
that much. Hang on. Just a little bit of movement there. A wee bit.
A wee bit.
Wee bit.
Nice Panda.